Here's my Oluma LB15 lathe. It's in great working condition. I bought it from a company that went out of business. They were using it up to the day I bought it. You can see everything's nice and clean. Hasn't been abused. Has a lot of options for this lathe. I've had another one of these and it didn't have all these different options here, or these gauges actually. It does all kinds of stuff like let's see, if you want to do chuck work or center work, you can turn the center on here, step on the pedal, wheel comes out, step on it this way, goes back in. You want to do chuck work, just switch it over here, you hit this pedal, you see it'll open up and close. And you could switch it to be chuck OD or ID close. So if you want it to read close when it's open, then you put it on the OD, and if you want to read it close when it's, or open when it's closed, you click it to the ID, and you'll get these two little lights here that pop up. If you check it out, do a little tool index here. Has a couple tools that come with it. Two tools there, like a parting tool. So you can see it works beautiful, nice and quiet. We can slide it forward, back, nice and smooth. No problems here. No problems at all. We can go over here, run the spindle. Let's go to MDI, data input, M03 speed. Let's go 500. Write that, and cycle start. There we go. See over here has a little gauge, spindle motor, spindle speed. We go to we'll get it in the high gear here. We'll go speed 1000. That will kick it up into high gear. This actually goes to 3500, I believe. So we'll write that. This will kick it up into high gear. There you go. Nice and smooth and quiet. See, there's no wobbling. Everything's nice and straight. Smooth. You can go to M02 is end program. Write that. Boom, shuts right down. Just a really nice all-around lathe. Has the chip conveyor. This works also, no problems here. Automatic oiler. You see the backside, all the pumps, everything's in excellent condition. It's really clean. Walk back behind it here for you. It has this little door right here. I've never had one that has this stuff on it. The motor load, stroke end, control program load. So I'm not sure what all that is, because I never had one that had all this little stuff in the cabinet on an LB15. This thing has some options on it. And then you can import your programs to RS-232 port, a parallel port, and there's another port that you can import your programs with, which is what I do. Here's the, it runs on 220 or 440, 3-phase. So yeah, it's just a really all-around nice lathe. Runs perfect, no problems with it. Don't hesitate to buy it. So that's about it. Thanks for looking. My name's Randy. My number is 502-418-2549. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions about the item. If you want to see some of my other items that I have for sale, which you can see some of them here in the background, feel free to check us out on the website. It's pmanufacturing.com. Thanks again.